It's part 4.
5?
Part 4, girl.
It's part 5 because earlier was part 4.
Oh yeah. So guys, you guys.
Welcome to part 5, living in our tree house.
Period.
Still the next day.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna stop posting for a month or two because I'm busy with school and I want to spend time with my family. But I'll post.
She will post only shorts for a while.
Yeah. Hit or miss. Hey, I'm here to the boyfriend. I'm here to the 3.
So guys, when you saw the, I think part 3, Paeng almost shaked us to death.
Yeah, and you almost made me fall off my bedroom.
Yeah, period. And we still have the same clothes.
You son of a bitch.
We're still at the same
I
clothes.
said bitch.
Yeah.
Anong gusto kasi doko.
So guys, we're eating manchanitas.
It's a Filipino fruit that grows on trees and it cures diabetes.
Yeah, pretty yummy actually. Hit or miss. Oh my gosh, guys! Amara's gonna dead! Oh my gosh, guys. So guys, there's one thing I hate about this. There's one thing I hate about this familia. We're kind of family right now. He Paeng. I hate Paeng because he Paeng keeps shaking. So guys, this is our bunso. This is our bunso guys. Hi bunso.
Hey guys. Remember that manchanitas I showed you?
Yeah?
It cures diabetes and there's things inside of the manchanitas. So the manchanitas takes a little bit of your blood, but don't worry, not like the blood that you need, the bad blood, like the blood with diseases and things like diabetes. It will get rid of those blood.
Look at these manchanitas. These manchanitas are a lot.
Green means
It's
they're
still not
they're not ripe yet, but when it's a little bit
red. It means
like
it's okay.
Like pinkish or completely red or looks like a cherry, you can eat it. It's very yummy.
Wait, I saw manchanitas when I was sleeping here. Wait, I saw manchanitas when I was sleeping here. Wait, it's super red. Wait, guys, you guys will see it.
Apan?
Where is it go? Here it is. But it's kind of smush already.
Guys. Camera
Smush.
girl.
Yes. My camera girl never dies.
Guys, do you want us to see us sleeping in our treehouse? Comment down below.
Yes!
For us, paing yang ako, ikaw.
Pati yan, ano?
Ayaw, piya. Kay bata palaya.
Hoy,
kita! Like this.
Yes, like that, guys. Oh my gosh, wait a minute. Hindi na casing yatik.
Like this.
Yeah, like that.
Adi pa, but it has black on it, so you can't eat it.
Because it means it's rotten.
Yeah. So next time I'm here to try.
Yeah, girls and boys.
So guys, this is the end of our series. Living in our tree house. This one.
You're interrupting the end of the video.
So guys, this is the end of our series, Living in our Treehouse. We'll post more of our treehouse videos later or sooner
Or a few months or a few years.
Yeah.
Joke, not a year.
But when it's not time,
gosh.
we're gonna video about it and you
Sleeping
will see
over.
us bond over and meet. Hey, are you sliding? Okay. Oh my god.
What was that? There was a mantis in my hair! Okay guys, so bye now guys! Bye-bye!
Bye.